These triple almond cookies are so tasty and so easy to make. You are going to love them. You know, almonds are really good for you. They're nutritious. They have antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals. Okay, first step, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to take out our almond flour, and we're going to use half a cup of that. You know, this recipe is also vegan and gluten-free and dairy-free and refined sugar-free, and it's just a really healthy treat. Okay, next, vanilla extract. We're going to use just a half a teaspoon of that. It's optional, but it does give the cookie some warmth, and I really like it. And now, the second part of the triple almond cookies, the almond extract. We're going to use a teaspoon of that, which is a lot of almond flavor, but you know what? You wouldn't be here if you weren't a fellow almond fan. And next, maple syrup. It's one of my favorite sweeteners because it's a whole food, and it also has antioxidants, and it has minerals like zinc and calcium and iron. So, you know, it's kind of a guilt-free-ish sweetener. And you're gonna take that, you're gonna mix that all up. For more healthy, easy, skinny, delicious recipes, please subscribe. I'd love to stay connected with you. Next, we're going to take some parchment paper, line it on a cookie tray. Now, if you're wondering where that triple part of the triple almond cookies come from, we're gonna take our batter, we're gonna form little balls, and then we're gonna smush it into almond slices. Now, this part may be a little controversial, but I like to coat both the top and the bottom of the almond cookies with the almond slices. I like to up-level my almond cookies. Do you think it's crazy that I like it both sides? Would you put almond slices on both sides? Let me know in the comments. Now you're gonna put the almond cookies in the oven. After about 5 minutes, if you like them chewy, they're probably done. I like mine crispy, so mine took about 10 minutes. But either way, you should check about 5 minutes and see. Now, if you also like them crispy, you're going to leave them even maybe on the pan. They're going to get really crispy. Then you're going to put them on a cooling sheet. There, you see I have the almond slices on the bottom, which I love. Now, almond cookies, triple almond cookies, what does it go the best with? Almond milk, of course. For more healthy, easy, skinny recipes, please subscribe. And for more healthy, easy, skinny cookie recipes, check out this video. If you like these, you'll love those as well.